In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make different types of branches. The first one is a generic leaf-like branch, and this one looks like the silver dollar eucalyptus. And at the end, I will show you how to add more techniques to personalize your branches too. In some of the flower tutorials like peonies, roses, and poppies, you've already know how to make this step. But if you didn't, here is the quick recap on how you can make them. I suggest that you use different shade of green, and we are going to need about 6 to 7 leaves per branch. When you are cutting, there are different shapes you can do. You can make a generic shape like this or a round one like this one, but you can adjust the sizes by trimming them to be slimmer. I usually make them in slightly different sizes so they look organic. I'm gonna start with this generic one and cut about 6 to 7 of these with different sizes. Here, we're gonna need a 18 gauge wire to put them into branches. I will use a brown paper strips for wrapping, but you can also use a photo tape if that's easier for you. You can start by putting the first leaf with the wire and use the photo tape, or in my case, the brown paper strips, to attach these wires together. You see here that I'm not ripping the brown paper as I'm wrapping, and I'm gonna continue adding my second leaf, and then we are going to repeat the steps all the way down the wire. You can decide the position of the leaves down the stem, thinking about where you want to face the leaf and the distance between each leaf as well. I usually leave about 3 to 4 or 5 inches at the end of the stem so that it would be easier when you arrange them with flower, or if you wanted to put into a vase. And we are here at the end. Now this is your first branch I encourage you to check out other style as well, so you can personalize the paper foliage to style with your flower.